In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view folder size for Google Drive folders. This might be a bit of a hidden feature for some, but once you understand the steps, it becomes a straightforward task. Before we begin, it's important to note that folder sizes may not be immediately visible due to Google Drive's focus on efficiency and simplicity. However, with a little guidance, you can easily find and view them. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your main Drive homepage. If it's your first time using Google Drive, or if you haven't checked in for a while, you might want to familiarize yourself with the layout again. The left-hand panel will show you options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and other navigation tools. Pay particular attention to the My Drive section. It's here that you'll be able to access all of your folders. Now, with your Drive open, there's a slight detour to take. Unfortunately, Google Drive doesn't directly show folder sizes like some other file management systems. But don't worry, there's a workaround. What you're going to do is use Google's built-in search feature to help bring the information you need to the forefront. Once you're in Google Drive, type in a search for a specific folder or simply click open the folder whose size you'd like to know. It may take a few moments to compile if you have a lot of files, so be patient. Next, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon, often referred to as the Settings icon. Click on it and choose Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Settings menu, find and select the Manage Apps tab. Here is where Google keeps track of apps connected to your Drive activities and data usage. Scroll through the list of apps until you find one that has usages, such as Google Photos or another similar app that may have data impact within your Drive space. If you're specifically looking for the folder size, a handy trick is to take the folder offline. To do this, right-click your folder and select Available Offline. Google Drive will then make that folder accessible without an internet connection, and during this process, you'll be presented with the size of the folder. While these steps may seem a bit roundabout, they're effective in achieving the goal of viewing folder sizes within Google Drive. Remember, patience is key as the indexing occurs, especially if you have extensive content stored online. Knowing the folder size can be crucial for managing storage, especially given Google's varied data plans, which might affect how much you're storing online. That concludes today's guide on viewing folder sizes in Google Drive. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.